All right, yeah, my name is Gus Andrews. I'm the technical trades instructor here for Eudora High School. This is the second project, second year for the program that we've started here. Uh, we built a house last year, about half as many students. Our enrollment this year started out with about 20 kids. We're down to about 18 students now, which is still good. Numbers are good. Next year's numbers seem to be like we're going to want to increase. The house we built this year was designed by me. It wasn't intentionally supposed to be as large as it was, but with the generous donations of some of our trades partners, it just kind of got to be a little bit bigger, which is good. These guys do such great things for our program. If it wasn't for the guys that's sitting on this trailer, there's no way we could even be able to do these projects. This program just really wouldn't exist, not to the extent that what we're doing. We're just trying to get, we're trying to build the interest in just construction trades. We've got a real lack of labor in the country right now as far as good trades people go. It's not that there's not a lot of trade jobs available, because there are. We just don't have anybody with any experience to fill them. And our approach here is to not just teach kids how to do all these trades. There's just a lot of soft skills that we're trying to teach here. And at the same time, hopefully these kids will be interested in doing one of these. It's like Westerhouses. I can't even begin to tell anybody how grateful I am for Mike stepping up and believing in this program. The man's done so many things for our community and our school district. I honestly can't even start to explain how great of a man he is. That being said, I mean, he's still a businessman, so the guy's sharp. And now I've got David and Aaron over here picking up where Mike left off, and it's fantastic. So
I'm Aaron Westerhouse. This is our second year with the Eudora High School trades program. They have built 2 houses now. This is their second. The first one turned out great. The second one we're working on right now, and it is shaping up very nicely. I like to get involved in this program. I think it's a great program. I think there's a lot of opportunity in the trades in general once these kids get out of high school. The opportunity to learn all the trades as you go throughout the whole process of building the house is pretty intricate and pretty interesting. It's a program that would have been really cool if if it was there when I was in high school. And so I really take a lot of pride in that, also being a Eudora High School graduate. Our business is here in Eudora, and we like to support Eudora as much as we can. So we're getting ready to get started on this, and we'll see how it goes. It should be a good time. What we're going to do today first, basically what they have done is the framing's all done. We will come in and we're going to set furnaces in place, run all of our duct work to where we want to go, and do different mechanical things to kind of get set up before sheetrock goes on, just to allow us to be ready for that point. Once the drywall goes on, we'll be able to start things up and kind of finish with trim out type stuff, and we'll be all set. So basically we're doing all the guts right now of what it takes to provide the heating and cooling to the house.
I'm most excited about the interior, especially designing the bathrooms and stuff. I was a part of designing the laundry room. We had a set amount of space to work with, and I came up with the design, and now we're just figuring out colors and other textures for the laundry room.
Interior design is always fun because you can it's more, you can free will, you can put stuff where you want, colors
especially because Gus was set up making the whole house, the layout of the house, So it's cool knowing that we get to kind of decide how the interior looks, especially knowing that somebody's going to live with that for the majority of their life.
Yeah.
You really get to let your creative juices flow.
There's not much you can do in a regular classroom now, just like let you like be creative.
I've always considered myself pretty good at art, but the only class that we're good at showing artwork is art and art form. And that's not really my type of motivation is sitting in a class.
I did art for 2 years, and I liked making stuff, but just the different rules you have to follow and things, and I just didn't like being forced to be creative.
Yeah.
When it's better just to have like an open will to be creative, like in this house.
Especially this year, because this class takes up all 3 electives for most of these guys. But the way I wanted to do it, I wanted to do this class for 2 periods, and then have weights for the 3rd elective. And I almost felt bad not having an art class in there. So because I've always done art.
Yeah.
It's weird not being in an art class. I enjoy the class so far, so I'm excited to see the end result.
We've worked with the O'Connor Company and Lenexa and a few other people that have allowed us to provide some equipment and some duct work, and we're going to give them our time here and try to teach them as much as we can, but at the same time I'm going to also kind of put a little bit on the kids' shoulders and try to get them doing as much as we can on their own. So